morning guys, it's day 2 of our little trip here in California. We were trying to wake up early today because we're going to Lake Tahoe, which is about 4 hours from where we are right now, but we just slept straight through our alarms and unfortunately we're going to arrive there a bit later than we were expecting. It is like a holiday this weekend, so it's going to be pretty busy. We wanted to beat the crowds, so we're going to be heading there now. Got quite a long drive to there and we'll see how it is. Guys, so we've arrived at Lake Tahoe, but it is insanely packed here. I don't think I've ever seen a place like this packed. Just people parked all over the place on the side of the roads, like traffic's barely budging as well. But I think we're kind of close to the place that we're planning to go to, but I don't know if there's going to be parking there. We're gonna have to see, because yeah, this is just crazy on a holiday. Yeah, let's see. Alright, so we have arrived, kind of. So we had to park here on the side of the road. Basically there's no parking inside at all, but yeah, you're allowed to park on the side of the road as long as you're in the white lines. So I guess that's where we're parking. And now we're just going to go on a little walk because we're heading to a beach. I think we've come to a place called Bliss. Is it State Park? I don't know, Bliss Park. We're going to be heading there. Supposed to have a nice beach. Probably going to be packed, but what can we do? Check out the size of this guy compared to my hand. Biggest pine cone ever. So along the trail we got the first sights of the lake here. Pretty gigantic lake. Apparently it's it takes like 3 hours if you was to drive around it, so yeah, just super huge. It almost looks like an ocean. Alright, so we have arrived at the beach. See the beach all there? It's like busy, but it doesn't look like crazy busy. But so many boats here. Just look at all these boats. Water looks a really beautiful color. It's almost like a Mediterranean color. Really beautiful though. Alright, here is the beach. It's pretty packed though, so we're gonna head down there and try and find a quieter spot to chill out. It turns out that that side of the beach is all private property, so we can't go there either. Since the beach was packed, we just came down a little bit to like a little hidden place that Carol found. Really quiet, only us here. Got our nice little spot here. Right, Carol? And then here's our little private beach. Really is beautiful here though. Go on, Carol, your turn to test the temperature. You gonna go in? No? I am. Ready?
Yeah. You should be ready.
Ice bath.
How is it?
Like absolutely freezing. I said it looked like the Mediterranean, but I don't think it feels like the Mediterranean.
Yeah, definitely not.
Sure you don't want to go in?
No, thank you.
Try it out. So we ended up coming to another little rock here out of the shade, because once you get in the cool water, you can't go back in shade. So this is one of the many beaches that there is around this lake. This is just one of them. So yeah, this lake's just really awesome. I can see why so many people come here during the summer holidays and stuff now, because it's just beautiful. I didn't imagine there being like a place like this in Northern California with this kind of water, and yeah, I've never even been to a beach lake before. So that's a first for me. I don't think you have as well, right, Carol?
No.
Yeah, she's never been to a beach on a lake as well. It looks natural as well, so that's really cool. Yeah, we're just gonna hang out around here for a while. Not sure what we're gonna be doing later on. Alright, now we've got Carol's turn. The ice bath. Just go, just go. Can you breathe? Breathe, breathe. Alright, we left the beach back there and now we've driven up to a point that's called Emerald Bay. It's one of the most popular points here. It's pretty much where everyone had stopped with their cars to take photos. So yeah, we're gonna check that out right now. Here it is, Emerald Bay. Got a little island in the middle and then just a sea of pine trees. All the Christmas trees here. So it's called Emerald because of the color, obviously. back in the car now. I think I got some pretty good drone shots of that little island. I was surprised, I didn't realize there was like a castle in the middle, so that was pretty interesting. I'm not sure what that was for. And I think we're heading out now. I didn't really want to drive out of here in the dark, and we've done quite a lot anyway. We're pretty tired. Yeah, this place is just pretty amazing, that's for sure. We only saw like just so little of it, and we've actually been here once before, but we came when it was snowing. It is also really beautiful. I'll show you some pictures in the snow, but yeah, obviously won't be able to do all the activities like you can do in the summer. I would like to spend more time here to see more beaches, do some like water sports, cycle around here and do some more hikes. Definitely be a nice place to stay for like a long weekend, or yeah, even like a week or something. And right now we're probably gonna drive into Sacramento. Gonna be staying there tonight because tomorrow we're going to be exploring San Francisco. So that's another video coming up if you want to stay tuned for that. And if you didn't already, watch my video yesterday in Big Sur here in California. Also an amazing place for nature. California has some incredible nature, some of the best that I've seen. So yeah, that's all from me. If you like this video, please drop a like, subscribe if you like to see more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.